Introduce yourself.
I am Guru Santaji Lobo, a missionary from an ashram in Kolhapur district. And we have been coming on this walking pilgrimage since 1981. And for us, this should be around 40th pilgrimage. The main reason how we came over this pilgrimage was the Lord's miracle on a man who had asthma on the extreme stage. And that man, such a bad condition that he would die any moment. And so the then parish priest of that parish, Swami Prabhudar, thought of this pilgrimage. A Jesuit priest with 7 people left for old Goa walking. And that was the first year pilgrimage. The man who was walking with 2 sticks supporting himself, his balance, people thought he would die on the way and his body could be brought back. But Lord worked a miracle. On the halfway he threw 1 stick and he became little more healthy. By the time we reached the destination, the man threw also the other stick. He was fit again to walk back. Therefore, after spending 2 days in Old Goa, those days in Basilica, in the main church, we had the Mass Thanksgiving 2 days at the tomb of St. Francis Xavier, and our Philip, the famous man of asthmatic attack, said we will walk back. So on the 4th of December, we started walking back, and on the 11th day, we received back much more healthy our man for whom we had started. And from that year onwards, the pilgrimage started. It is going on till today.
What's the name of the person who has
The name of the person is Philip Bardeskar, the patient who was not well. Why we had to think about this with our faith that St. Francis Xavier would intercede for his recovery of the asthma. And the person who thought of this pilgrimage was late Swami Prabhudar, a Jesuit priest of Goa province.
days it takes for you all to reach here?
Well, for us now, it takes totally 4 nights. 5th day we arrived at Old Goa. And after about, let's say about 10 years, many people thought of joining us. But these many people, they could not join us unless they get a leave. The government servant could not get a leave for 11 days. Therefore, they requested, can we join the pilgrimage provided you have a shortened space? We said, why not? And with their request, we made it 1 way walking and 1 way coming back by bus. And the number of people double or triple time increased. And now this year we have about 300 people walking, not only from one place, but now people from Belgaum district, Sindhudurga district and Kolhapur districts are flocking like anything.
So how is the arrangement for you all made here after you received it also?
Well, in the course of time, the management of Basilica, they encouraged us. Therefore, the Archdiocese of Goa, they said they could also encourage us. Therefore, they sent a public notice to all the parishes saying, all our brothers, fellow Christians walking from both the 3 directions should be encouraged. Therefore, you have to welcome them and look after them. That's how now on the way, most of the places we are sponsored our food, sponsored our stay, and sometimes even they try to pray for us. On the contrary, Lord started working wonders. Many sick people get healed. Lots of sicknesses, physical, mental, psychological, because of this pilgrimage, they got through. And that's how now people know all around. On the contrary, people keep on asking us, when is the next pilgrimage? What time and what month is the next pilgrimage? Therefore, so let's say 1 week in advance before the feast day, we start from the respective places and we exactly try to reach here by the 2nd of December. By the time we arrive from the ark, we have a procession altogether, what is known in Indian language, Dindi. So that Dindi procession is bilingual languages. So those coming from Belgaum area sing in Kannada, coming from Maharashtra area sing in Marathi, and coming from Konkan area sing in Konkani. So we have the Mass also, Eucharistic celebration celebrated here on the main altar is also bilingual languages. There are people of all the 3-4 languages. We have preaching in Marathi, in Konkani, in Kannada mainly. And the singing bhajans also are combined with different languages. Therefore now it's not only 7 people who started on the initiative stage, but now a dozen of priests, 2 dozens of nuns, and the Vardeskars, and then the Hindus and the Muslims all come together. This is exactly what our dialogue is.
Time, how do you feel being together and coming?
Well, that is exactly what was the problem. The exact, on the contrary, though the pandemic has brought down many awareness in us, for us personally, we really learnt a lesson that the God is very kind, God is very loving, God is everlasting loving. Why? Because of the pandemic attacks, most of the people who were taken away by God died. All those who were alive, their relatives, they thought the only answer for these problems are we have to go to God, approach to God, pray to God. So that is where most of the people around us and in our relatives, we learnt that the only way to survive from all this pandemic is to ask Lord to be with us and show us the way. Therefore, last year, though we did not have the pilgrimage, we did come in a group. The main organizers, one priest, myself, from all the districts we came here. We had the Mass at the tomb of St. Francis Xavier, and the Mass, the Eucharistic celebration was relayed to all around on the WhatsApp. So last year we continued, only people did not come. So this year, as the rector of Basilica sent us a message, please, I have got a permission to celebrate the novenas and the feast, so please you also can announce your pilgrimage and start back. We were very happy. So we came here twice, we organized everything, went to the spots wherever people give us the service, we told them, and on 27th night many people started. We were here this morning.
So how you, weather is not favorable this time for the feast?
Well, see, there are both the ways of thinking. If one thinks positively, it's not a loss. But if you think about negatively, inconveniences are, of course, there is no other way. We could not be like any other years because sitting, sleeping, enjoying, going around for the visitation, all that would have been better than what this year is. But for all the elderly person like me, Swami, my neighbor, my Swami coming from Mysore, we see always the positive way of it. The very moment it is pouring, that means God is pouring His grace and blessing over all of us. And therefore, even if we have to face this situation, He has His plans to make everything anew. And the new life will come. That is what we take it positively.
Thank you.
Yeah.